Here in this series of questions, we are approaching towards the requirements of UPSC Civil Services examination and how to prepare and who can prepare for this exam. All these questions we are going to answer in this series. That is, we are conducting like question series. So obviously the first question, that what is the age criteria for UPSC Civil Services examination? Age criteria for UPSC Civil Services examination is very clear. Minimum age, that is 21 years completed. Okay, but what is the date? Simple. If you are approaching for UPSC Civil Services examination of 2024, then on the 1st August 24, your minimum age must be 21 year completed. Alright, so this is the criteria of age, that is lower category, lower age limit, that is minimum age limit. Now maximum age limit is 32 years. So from the time span of 21 years to 32 years, we can appear for this examination. Again, when we have to consider 32, again answer is that suppose you are approaching, you are appearing for UPSC Civil Services examination 2024, then on the 1st August 2024, your age should not exceed 32 years. That means on 31st July, on 1st August, we should not exceed age 32. Now this upper age limit is there for open category candidate. Now for reservations, the age relaxations are there. So if you belong to OBC category, then age limit is somewhat relaxed. You can appear till 35 years for this examination. But keep in mind, only OBC certificate is not sufficient. Apart from that, you must provide a non-creamy layer certificate. Then only your category is considered as OBC. Otherwise, your category will be considered as open and age limit will be 32. So please keep in mind that you require fresh non-creamy layer certificate. That means the year in which you are going to appear, at that time you must have non-creamy layer certificate. Then only you should be, you have to consider yourself as OBC category, otherwise open. So for OBC category, age relaxation is there by 3 years, and for SC and ST category, again that caste certificate that must be validated and all that. But after that, age relaxation is there still 2 more years. That means till age of 37 years, you can appear for UPSC Civil Services examinations. So these are the age criteria. I am revising again. The minimum age criteria is 21 years for each and everybody. But upper limit is actually 32 years. But special provision is there for OBC, that if you have non-creamy layer certificate plus OBC certificate, then you can appear for this examination till age of 35. And if you belong to SC or ST category, then you can appear 2 more years. That means till age of 37 you can appear.